How to kiss. Initiate the moment. Establish eye contact with the other person and allow your eyes to wander down to their lips occasionally so they get a hint of your intentions. Closing the distance. Lean in slowly, maintaining eye contact as long as possible. As you get closer, allow your eyes to close to enhance the sensory experience of the kiss. Contact. Press your lips gently against theirs. The initial contact should be light and soft. Savor the touch of their lips on yours. Explore. Gradually deepen the kiss. You can part your lips slightly and, if it feels right, introduce a bit of tongue. However, try to avoid letting your tongue go too deep into the other person's mouth. Keep it light and playful. Use your hands. Your hands can intensify the kiss. Cradle their face. Run a hand through their hair, or pull them closer by the waist, or small the back. Respond to their cues and movements. Follow their lead. Pay attention to what they seem to enjoy. Kissing is a two-way interaction, so it's important to respect their pace and style, and adjust your movements accordingly. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. You can breathe through your nose, or take small breaths through your mouth between kisses. You can also take a break from lip kisses to kiss their neck, cheek, or forehead, or wherever you'd like, if they like. Break away slowly. When it's time to pull away, do so slowly and gently. Open your eyes and share a soft smile or intimate look. You might give them a quick kiss or two. It's a sweet way to conclude the encounter.